Here's how to change the webcam background on your Mac. Now, if you're on a FaceTime call or maybe Zoom or something like that, and you want to change the background to be something different, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, for an example, let's just open up FaceTime. So I'm going to tap on the magnifying glass at the top right, and then just open up FaceTime. Search for it and click on it. Now you'll be able to see it defaults to the camera here, and you can see it is currently blurring the background. However, I can change that background by going to the top right here. You can see that little camera icon. I can tap on it, and now you'll be able to see portrait, studio, and background at the bottom. So I can tap on that, and it immediately adds a background. I can tap on the image here, and you can see a bunch of preset images that I can switch back and forth between. I can just choose a random color if I just wanted the background to be a generic blue or gray or something. And then I can also go to pictures here, and I can just add my own picture just by tapping on the plus and choose from the photos, maybe the photos in my Photos app, or I can choose one from a website somewhere that I got downloaded. But here you can see, I can say, for instance, I just want this scene to be the background with trees, etc. And now whenever I open up the camera, either on maybe Zoom, on Google Meet, on FaceTime, any of that stuff, it will always use that background. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.